2025 BYD Dolphin Rider Edition officially launched with price starting at $99,800, battery life and power upgrade. The new car came off the assembly line at a price of $99,800 to $129,800 Yuan. As a renewed model, the new car has been improved in terms of battery life and power, and the CLTC pure electric battery life has been increased to 520 kilometers. The appearance has not changed much. The overall design continues the old model, adopting a marine aesthetic design style with a fashionable and distinctive shape. In terms of size, the length, width and height of the new Dolphin are 4125, 4150, /1770/1570 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2700 mm. The interior also continues the layout design of the old model, equipped with a 12.8-inch rotatable hanging pad and a 5-inch LCD display. Equipped with D-Link Intelligent Vehicle System, supports 4G network, voice recognition wake-up app. This renovation and upgrade mainly focuses on improving battery life. The power battery pack capacity of the entry-level model has been increased from 32,256 kWh to 44,928 kWh, and the CLTC pure electric range has been increased from 302 km to 420 km. The battery pack capacity has been increased from 44.928 kWh to 60.48 kWh, and the CLTC pure electric range has been increased from 401 km to 520 km. At the same time, the maximum power of the drive motor of the Night Edition model has been increased from 130 kW to 150 kW, and the peak torque has been increased from 290 Nm to 310 km. The acceleration time is 3.5 seconds, and the top speed is 160 km. Other models are equipped with drive motors with a maximum power of 70 kW and a maximum torque of 180 Nm. The official 0 to 50 km per hour acceleration time is 3.9 seconds and the top speed is 150 km per hour.